G'day, this is Vineet, and in this quick win I'm going to be showing you how to install LeptonX Lite theme to the MVC UI on ABP Framework 5.3. Okay, here we are in Windows Explorer. We're just going to open up a Windows terminal and we're going to run this command, which is going to create a new solution for us using the open source version of ABP Framework. We're going to call it amazing.software. And we're going to create it using the MVC UI and the entity framework as the database provider. We're going to create a new folder into this folder, and we don't want any mobile solution. So let's just enter. Okay, there you go. Our amazing.software folder has been created. Just going to X out of this Windows terminal. We're going to navigate into amazing.software and we're going to open up the solution in Visual Studio, and we're just going to go into the DB migrator, and like usual we will change the string over here. We'll call this amazing software quick win 011. And I've got a SQL developer installed, so I'm just going to call it localhost over here because I've got SQL Server Developer server installed on my PC. I'm going to save that. I'm going to do the same thing in the app settings.json in our web project. So I'm going to call this amazing software QW011 and just call this localhost. Save that, and I'm going to run the DB migrator project now. By right clicking, we'll say debug, start without debugging. That'll open up a command prompt and it will initialize our database. Okay, now that our database has been initialized and seeded with some data, we will now run the project to ensure that it's working properly. So let's click this web project, set it as startup project, and we will say run it. Okay, here we are. So we're just going to make sure we can log in and everything is working as expected. Okay, so we can log in. We've got our menus, we've got our default menus. We're going to log out. Okay, it looks like everything is working. So I'm going to close this and we're going to go back into Windows Explorer and we're going to navigate into amazingsoftware.web, and we're going to open up a command prompt here, and in this command prompt we're going to add the package of LeptonX Lite by using this command. So .NET add package volo.abp.asp.core.mvc.ui.theme.leptonx Lite, and you'll see that we're still in beta 2, so we have to install the pre-release version. In 6.0 it'll be included, and we'll have a look at that in a showcase as well. Let's enter. And you got to make sure that you're in the web project directory, and that will go away and get the NuGet package and install LeptonX Lite. Now that's done that, let's go into Visual Studio. In Visual Studio we'll open up the project file over here and we'll scroll down and we will get rid of the basic theme, which is over here, and we will replace it. Sorry, we're just going to get rid of the basic theme, like so. You'll see that we have included the beta 2 of theme.leptonx Lite by installing the package. We will now go into the web module web module class, and we will just replace this with the LeptonX theme module, like so. And we'll just say control dot and pull in the library. Then we'll navigate to configure bundles, and in configure bundles we'll replace the basic themes bundles.style with LeptonX Lite theme bundles.styles.global, and we'll bring in the library here as well, and we'll save that, and we will run the project. Okay, you'll see now that the basic theme is gone, and we've got the LeptonX Lite theme. We're just going to log in. We're going to type in admin, and we're going to type in the password, and you'll see that we've got the vertical main navbar, and we can navigate to our pages like so. So there you have it. It's that easy to install the LeptonX Lite theme on a normal solution.